Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set stop loss in MT5 Mobile. So let's go and do that. So you will select the currency which you want to trade, click on that and then select new order. Now you will see that we are in settings now, so we have market execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, but we will stick with market execution. Now here you see the chart, and at the bottom here you see SL and TP. So with that we set up our stop loss. So now I can set up with this myself a stop loss. Also I can set up my TP right over here like that, and this is how you can set up your stop loss. After that just hit sell or buy, and that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next